Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today is all about buns. Let's do Beaumont's buns.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up some milk to 110 degrees. And I'm just going to do smaller bursts in the microwave to get it up to temp. See, microwaves are good for some things. And now is 1 cup of milk. Okay. Activating Mr. Yeast. And you want warm milk, not hot milk. Check your temperature. We want warm milk. We don't want to kill the yeast. Another 10 seconds. Yes, the buns were so tasty last time. Can't wait. Yeah, she's pretty good. She's like sitting at 110. Milk into a bowl. Okay. Pretty much a package of yeast. 2 teaspoons, roughly. I think this one's a month expired, but she should be, if you leave it in the cupboard or dry, it should be all packed up. It should be good to go. It'll bubble up in a bit, so toss them into the bowl. To activate it, we need
half the sugar into the bowl.
Should bubble up in a bit. Then we know it's ready. Waiting for our yeast to get all active. It's happening, so that's good. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to put
5 cups of flour,
2 teaspoons of salt, our remaining sugar. We're going to toss into the mixing bowl as well. Mix up. And about 3 teaspoons of sugar, the remaining sugar, so it's a 1/4 cup plus the remaining sugar. Yes, the yeast is doing its thing. We'll just give it a few more minutes to puff up a bit, and then we'll put this on the mixer. Okay. So we'll take our mixed jaw. Okay, so we'll lock that up. Toss our yeast in there. The sugar. Yeah, put it on slow, and we're going to toss 4 eggs. Room temperature eggs. No! Don't get any shells in there. You see there's no flour patches? Then you toss the butter in. Don't forget the butter. Softened butter. Yeah, let's toss the butter in there. Just make sure it's all gets in the dough there. Let's let it all mix up. Yeah, I just need it for a bit now. Olive oil into a bowl all the way around. Okay, now put this here. I'm just gonna wait until it doubles in size. So we're gonna put it in a kind of a warm spot. Put a warm towel underneath. We'll put saran wrap first. Warm towel. Yeah, it should take about an hour or so. Then we can roll them into our lovely buns. So our buns are good. Let's do the buns. There's our dough. Rolls pretty good. Feels good. Pastry mats on a lightly floured surface. Take our dough out. Yeah, it's proofed really good, so it's some air in there. Perfect. Roughly, I'm going to do about the last time I did 8 buns. This time I'm actually going to 10. 1, 2. It's about that size. 2, 3. Because last time they were just too big, because they're gonna puff out a bit, so don't have to be perfect. Some might be a little big, but that's okay. Now we're gonna take our buns and roll, kind of fold like so. So when you get to this stage, kind of roll them, and there, put them on the tray. Again, you just sort of press them. Like so. Again. Roll. And we're going to proof the buns one more time. So I always like to put a bit of saran wrap on them. Then your buns won't taste like your towel. Okay, cover your buns again. Put them in a warm spot. Roughly about a half hour to 50 minutes. And then come back and we'll toss them in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. So our buns are pretty much ready to go in the oven. So I'm just going to do a little bit of egg wash for them. Egg wash and a pastry brush. Look at Beaumont's buns. Oh my gosh, looking good. Brush them with some egg wash just to get a nice goldeny brown color. Yes, when I made them last time, they were so good. It's like a brioche bun with the butter. 350. We'll take a look in 25 minutes and see how they are. Into the oven. Buns. take the buns out. Ooh, buns. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at that. Look at those buns. Oh man. Slice it into one of Beaumont's buns. All right. I have to give them a try. They're soft, eh? Look at that. You want a soft bun for a burger, right? Or a sandwich. So this is perfect. I love the way it turned out. Give one of Beaumont's buns a try. So soft. Hell of a burger with this bun. Or a pulled pork sandwich I'm doing. And a different way I do the burgers. So can't wait to see that one coming soon. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. To make some burger buns. Beaumont's buns. See you soon.